Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Friday evening, almost 10 o'clock. A late evening update on what turned into a nice day today. Finally getting some of that wind down, not as gusty. And look at the high temps today. Pretty comfortable for mid-October in the lower 60s, including a 61 in Providence. Maybe a shade or two cooler tomorrow afternoon, but otherwise Saturday looks like a beautiful day. You just have to get through the very cold temperatures early in the morning. Now, we're taping this as of almost 10 o'clock at night. It's dropping through the upper 40s in many locations, but we're going to tumble into the 30s during the overnight, mid-30s. So there'll be a touch of frost. It'll be one of the colder nights we've seen in a while, especially late at night and towards daybreak. So there is a frost advisory. Threat tracker now through Saturday and Sunday, low-level green. We're watching Sunday evening closely. Some remnants from what is Tropical Storm Nestor in the Gulf of Mexico. Some precipitation from that may try to graze the south shore later Sunday evening. So frost tonight, actually overnight. The frost advisory doesn't really go into effect until 3 a.m. Saturday, until 8 a.m. Saturday. Alright, Saturday is beautiful. Tons of sunshine once we get by the frosty start at sunrise. Milder by afternoon. Looking at temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. A newly formed tropical storm Nestor, we'll get a closer look at it in just a second. In the Gulf now, getting ready to move towards the Florida Panhandle tonight into Saturday. And it remains to be seen whether some of that moisture will try to graze our south coast around Sunday evening, Sunday night. We'll elaborate on that in just a second. Satellite photo, radar composite, clear all across southern New England. Here's the wider view. Wednesday night's big windstorm. It's moved up into the Canadian Maritimes, but still had that breezy northwest wind today, which has eased up now. So light winds this evening and overnight. All right, here's a close-up look. This is Tropical Storm Nestor with winds at about 60 miles per hour. Let's put some information on here. First of all, high-pressure fair weather system over the Great Lakes will promise us a beautiful Saturday and a mainly dry weekend. There's the latest from the Hurricane Center. Looking at winds of 60 miles per hour, moving northeast at a pretty fast pace, up to 22 miles per hour. And here's a close-up look, and you see the rain and wind is already skirting the Florida coast already. And this storm will work north and east, making landfall on Saturday. The areas in orange, that represents the tropical storm warning for the Big Bend of Florida. And the forecast track does take it over Georgia, the Carolinas, and then bending it back out to sea by Sunday and Monday. Now, this is obviously, first of all, by the time it reemerges out here, Sunday, Monday, it will no longer be a tropical storm, but rather a tropical depression. Now, this kind of a track would take it well to our south, but a little nudge to the north would put us maybe in a rain shield here Sunday evening. So let me show you one of our more reliable computer models. And now this is, get my glasses on. This is Saturday morning, 10 a.m. The storm is making landfall on the Panhandle. Here we are Saturday afternoon. Take note, here in New England, it's a beautiful day. A lot of sunshine. See this cloud deck well ahead of the storm? This will increase on Sunday afternoon. In fact, let me take it Sunday morning, 9 a.m. Any sunshine giving way to increasing clouds. The precipitation Sunday morning is still south of Atlantic City, New Jersey. And as the storm tracks out to sea, just the northern fringe, this is Sunday evening, 8 o'clock, will try to graze the south shore. So I still think the daylight hours, or most of the daylight hours of Sunday, is actually dry. So good news there, any activities and things like that. Though I think the clouds would tend to take over the second half of the day, which would make Saturday actually the brighter and sunnier day. Getting real close, and what are we going to look at? How about the temperatures? Boy, watch them tumble overnight. So dropping into the mid-30s, and then by daybreak, and then by 10 o'clock we're recovering into the upper 40s, and nice in the afternoon, upper 50s to around 60 by 3-4 o'clock. Then Saturday evening we're back down to around 50. Frost advisory. Well, first of all, it'll be cold everywhere. Frost advisory for the areas in blue. That's from 3 o'clock in the morning until 8 a.m. Saturday. So for your Saturday morning, not bad. Now that 38's not at 11 a.m. That's like 5-6 o'clock in the morning. By late morning, it should be into the mid and upper 50s, and then during the afternoon, nothing but blue sky, upper 50s to near 60. You have plans to be out Saturday night. Just grab a warm jacket, but clear, dry, and chilly. Got a bay forecast for you. Great visibility. Looking at the wind out of the west at 5 to 10, unlimited visibility. Water temp, boy, remember when in the summertime the water temp was up to 74? And it's down to 61 now, so the water's cooling off. All right, 7-day forecast. Nice Saturday. Sunday, as of now, I would certainly check back, but we're going to go from early morning sun to afternoon clouds. Dry daylight hours. Showers arriving just after sunset and mainly near the coastline. Monday, a cloud-sun mixture, 65. We're bringing some showers on Tuesday into the first half of Wednesday. 59 Tuesday and about 65 next Wednesday. So, wrapping it up. Try to wrap it up right here. Here I am. Cold tonight, clear. Beautiful Saturday once we get rid of the frosty temperatures early in the morning. Clear, dry, chilly Saturday night. A little bit of sunshine Sunday morning. Clouds take over in the afternoon. Good chunk of the day. Light hours on Sunday is dry. Once we get towards sunset or thereafter, Sunday evening, Sunday night, especially South Shore, Westerly, Newport, the Cape, the Islands, the chance for some showers as what's left of Nestor heads out to sea. All right, that's the latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.